Assalamu alaikum grade 3. I am here with lesson number 2 from unit number 2 Allah. Grade 3. Today you people will learn Allah's names or Ismailahi, and the first name that you learn today is Al-Wadudu. Al-Wadudu, and its translation is the loving. The loving. Grade 3. Allah loves us more than anyone else. So we must also love Allah and be grateful for all that He has given us. We must thank Him for all His blessings. Grade 3, you can see on the slide why Allah made this world. कि अल्लाह ताला ने ये दुनिया क्यों और किसके लिए बनाई. Allah has made everything for us. He loves us very much and He has made the whole world for us. If Allah has made the whole world for us, so what should we do in return? Grade 3, we should thank Allah for all His gifts and blessings by obeying Him, praying Him, and doing good to others. Grade 3, here are some names of Allah. You will learn these, and this is all for today. Allah Hafiz.